Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing the Canon 50mm f1.8 STM lens, which I got for about $190. I heard quite a lot of good things about this lens, so I just bought it to try it out. Now here we have the warranty, which I'll just put it to one side first. And like all products, they also have the paperwork, which includes their manuals and quick start guide and blah blah blah. And some more cardboard. Let me just put the box to one side first. This lens came out about 2 years ago and replaces the Canon 50mm f1.8 Mark II. Now to the actual lens itself once I get it off the plastic. My initial first impression is that it's a pretty light lens and has a nice textured surface to it. So there we have the Canon 50mm f1.8 STM lens. So today I will also be unboxing the 10 to 18mm f4.5-5.6 IS STM lens from Canon, which I think costs around $430. So I bought this as I wanted a more wide-angled lens for indoor shots, and it has image stabilization built in the lens, which will be pretty good for videos as well. Here's the paperwork that we don't really need. And now just look at that bubble wrap. Wow, it's actually quite light as well. So there we have the Canon 10 to 18mm f4.5-5.6 IS STM lens.